Today's lesson is deforestation. At the end of this lesson, you are able to know what is deforestation, what are different causes of deforestation, what are the effects of deforestation. Deforestation is the clearing or clear cutting or removal of a forest or stand of trees from land which is then converted to a non-forest use. Forests cover 31% of the land area on our planet. They produce vital oxygen and provide homes for people and wildlife. Many of the world's most threatened and endangered animals live in these forests. 1.6 billion people rely on benefits forests offer, including food, fresh water, clothing, traditional medicine, and shelter. Well, there are many causes of deforestation. The number one is growing demand for housing. The current world population of 7.2 billion is projected to reach 9.6 billion by 2050, according to a UN report. To cater to the increasing housing needs, many resort to removing rainforests to create land. Another cause of deforestation is logging. Many commercial logging companies fell down trees in a process known as selective logging, where only the most valuable trees are felled. Growing demand for products made from wood. Over the years, the uses of wood moved from wood fuel to construction materials such as shelters and furniture. Today, almost every household has something made out of wood, for example, floor tiles, cutleries, and musical instruments. The next is agriculture, crop planting, and cattle ranching. Clearing of land for palm oil and other crop plantations, clearing of land to rear cattle. Another reason or cause for deforestation is mining and industrial projects. And to some places, one is building dams. The forests have been destroyed by the building of hydroelectric dams. It was the dominant view that new dams have to be built on, or otherwise these countries would suffer an energy crisis, as in India and South America. There are many environmental and economical impacts of deforestation, like increased soil erosion, disruption of water cycles, reduced biodiversity, climate change, disruption of livelihoods. Short-term environmental effects are increased soil erosion. No trees anchoring the fertile soil, erosion is sweeping the land into rivers. The agricultural plants replacing the forest are unable to hold onto the soil. Since 1960, a third of world's arable land has been lost. As fertile soil washes away, producers move on, clearing more forest. Disruption of water cycle. Trees play a key role in the local water cycle, keep balance between the water on the land and the water in the atmosphere. Disrupted balance changes the precipitation and river flow. Long-term environmental effects include reduced biodiversity, climate change. Reduced biodiversity, 80% species can be found in tropical rainforest, often unable to survive in the small fragments of forested land left behind, accessible to hunters and poachers, leading to extinction. Climate change, forests help to mitigate carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions. When cut, burned, or otherwise removed, they become carbon source. Tropical forests hold more than 210 gigatons of carbon. Deforestation represents 15% of greenhouse gas emissions. Rising temperatures change patterns of weather and increase of extreme weather events. Economical effects. Deforestation greatly influences many lives. Sorry. In Southeast Asia, deforestation contributed to migration and social conflicts. In Brazil, the poor people are constantly pressured to move from their villages, often to remote soy plantations where they have to work under inhuman conditions, destroying sources of medicine, increasing food insecurity, flooding causing loss of many lives and homes. As flooding is happens in the result of deforestation. There are many solutions we can overcome deforestation. The number one is corporation, number two governments, number three individuals. If corporations have the ability to destroy the world's rainforest, they also have the power to help save them. And the governments are able to enact ambitious domestic and international forest policies that have wide-ranging effects. As individuals, we contribute significantly to deforestation with our lifestyle, hence we have the responsibility to keep ourselves in check. Deforestation is the conversion of forested area to non-forested. Generally, this removal or destruction of significant areas of forest cover has resulted in a degraded environment with reduced biodiversity. Deforestation greatly contributes to greenhouse gas accumulation in the atmosphere. If the current rate of deforestation continues, the world forest will vanish within 100 years.